Good morning from Bali. I'm in Canggu, Bali. I just woke up at this beautiful, peaceful 2-bed villa. I'll definitely show you guys a villa tour and let you know the details about it in case you want to stay here too. It's so cozy. I woke up to birds chirping. Like, this is so peaceful. I'm so excited to be in Bali. But first things first, let's go get some coffee. There's so many cute coffee shops here in Bali, and I'm gonna head to the one that's just right across the street right now. So come along, enjoy a full day in Bali with me. Let's go. So the breakfast menu is really big, but I just did a light breakfast and a little coffee because I'm about to take you guys with me to the gym. There's a lot of gyms here in Bali, which I love. All right, super close to the villa is Raw Gym, so come with me. Let's get a workout in. This is an open concept gym, but it's nice, breezy, not too hot, so we're feeling good. I've seen there's these ropes here, and I've never tried to climb up a rope, so I'm just gonna do it for you guys right now. Okay, wait. I should have Googled how to. Oh my god.
You can do it!
How do people do this? What the heck?
Mind over matter.
What?
Attack it like it's a... Pretend you're a monkey.
Okay.
Get it, girl!
I tried. Oh wait, what if I tried both? Right or no? Oh, okay, I tried. I deserve a little like, so like this video for me, A for effort.
And go as fast as you can.
My little noodle arms. 2-bedroom villa in the heart of Canggu. Come check it out. Relaxing pool, we got seating and a beautiful pond, outdoor dining. If you guys want to rent this place, I will put the link down below in the description. This is available on Airbnb. Super cute, such a vibe. I'm loving it. The pool is really relaxing. I've been waking up to the sound of birds chirping and water flowing. The pond is so tranquil. Check out the tall ceilings. So this is just one of the 2 bedrooms. As you can see, very cozy. Projector, so you could have big screen movie nights. Love that I had Netflix. And you know, sometimes when I'm traveling, I'm not sure how the water temperature and pressure is gonna be, and at this place it was perfect. Yeah, got very hot, had great pressure, and yeah, everything was so nice. And then the AC, sometimes I'm never sure if those are gonna be good. This one worked perfectly. So yeah, look how cozy it is in here. It's so peaceful with the pond and the water running and the pool fountain.